Hi everyone, welcome to Murthy IT. Good evening, all. So, today I am going to explain how to do reverse of a given number. So, if you give the input any number, we need to show output right by reversing. So, input if you give 243, we need to show the output like 342. So this is the required, not only this number. So in the input you give any 5 digits or 6 digits or 8 digits. So any digits of number, if you give, the output should become by reversing that number. Okay, that is the requirement. Simply then let's discuss algorithm and we'll go programmatically. We'll do programmatically how to do. So here I want to get this 3 out of this 243. Then what we need to do? We need to percentile. I mean, we need to divide. So divisor. So we can say 243 by 10. So here 10 will be divisor. Then 24 will be quotient. Then 3 will be remainder. Now 3 came out, right? Now 3 came out. So if you do any number, if you divide, then that last number will come. If you divide with 10, that last number will come. How? That last number 3 as a reminder. Whatever reminder will come, that is the last number of the particular number. Okay. So now we have to take reverse number equal to 0 with initial value. Then remainder equal to number by percentile 10. Number by percentile 10 means here remainder will. So number by percentile means number remainder. So we need to understand here number by percentile 10 means what will come, number by 10 means what will come. So number by percentile means remainder will come. Number by 10 means quotient will come. So in language level, we need to understand. If you want a remainder, we need to use percentile. We'll get remainder. If you want quotient, whenever we are doing division, if you want quotient, then we need to use divided. Okay. Then what's a remainder? What? 3. Remainder is 3. Now number is how much? Number is quotient. Now we are telling number equal to number by 10. So what is the meaning of it? Quotient will go on store. Now 243 replaced by 24. So now currently number is how much? 3 came outside now. 3 came out. So remaining how much is there? 24 is there. Now current number is 24. Okay, got my point? So now what? We are doing reverse number equal to, in reverse number what value is there? 0. 0 into 10 plus 3. So 0 into 10 how much? 0. 0 plus 3? 3. So in reverse number what will be stored? 0 replaced by 3. 0 replaced by 3. So this entire process we need to repeat until we get the 342. Now currently what is there in remainder, in reverse number what is there? 3 is there. So remaining 4 and 2 also should come. So until we get 342, we should repeat this logic. So if we want to repeat the same logic in language level, we need to use flow control statements. So we can use either for loop, do while or while loop. So I am taking as of now while loop. So we need to repeat this logic. Okay. So This is the process actually. So programmatically how to do. So programmatically how to do this, how to do this, let's discuss. So now let me create a program, new class reverse number. New class reverse number. So I am creating main method. I am creating main method. So in the program, so int, so int number equal to, let's take, you can take any number, 243, 234, any number you can take. Then after we need to take with initial value 0, we need to take a reverse number to store the results, to store the result. So reverse number. So reverse number, we have taken initial value with 0. So now to repeat the logic, we need to take while number, until number greater than, my number greater than 0, I want to execute this logic. Then first what I want to find, I want to find remainder. So remainder equal to number by number percentile 10. I want quotient. So quotient means number by 10. So I want to replace, right? I want to instead of creating again new variable, I want to use this already created variable. Then this 234 replaced by 23, like that, right? So I don't want to create again number variable. I want to use existing variable. Then it will be replaced to the value. So number equal to number by 10. Number equal to number by 10. Finally, reverse number equal to reverse number into 10 plus remainder. Reverse number into 10 plus remainder. Then this is the logic, that much. So if you print before reversing number, if you print sys out. So before reversing, what is the number? Before reversing. Before reversing, what is the number? This is the number. After reversing, what is the number? We need to print this number, this reverse number, right? We are storing the result in that variable. That's why we need to print that variable. So after reversing, reverse number. Got my point? So let's execute the program. So run as Java application. So before reversing it, 234. After reversing, 432. So I am taking in middle 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 I'm taking. So just we are changing the input. So it should come 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. So run as Java application. You give any input, it should work. So let's understand how it is working, sir. So with the debugging mode, how it is understand, how it is working. So let's discuss. So I am running in it. I am running this application, this program again in debug mode. So debug as Java application. So the input, value, how much is their number we have taken? 2234. Just a second. I don't want to take big number. So it will be easy. Just I am taking 2 to 3. Okay. So again, I'm running with the debug Java application. So our current number is how much, sir, now? So we given input, we have taken input as 223. So reverse number initialized value, we have taken 0. So before reversing, we want to print. So then what it is printed in the console, if you go and see, oh, it's came, no? Okay. Just a second. So we want to print before reversing whatever number we want to print. So printed. So now here onwards, our until reversing, we want to execute these 3 lines. Okay. So number greater than 0. So in number, what is there, sir? In number variable, what is the value is there in number variable? 223. Is 223 is greater than 0, no? Not a? Yes, true. Then it will go to next inside the while loop. Then remainder equal to, so remainder equal to number by percentile 10. So then what will come? This 3 out. So remainder. So 10, 22s are 22s are 220. So 223 from 223 onwards to from 223 onwards, if you subtract 220, how much is the remainder? 3. So remainder is how much, sir? Now remainder is 3. So number. So what I told, the difference between percentile and divided by, I told quotient we'll get now. So here 220, 10 22s are 220 now. Here 22 should come. Now number means current number is how much, sir? Now 22. So now current number replaced by 223 replaced by 22. Currently number is 22. So now our reverse number, how much value is there? 0 is there. 0 into 10, how much? 0. Remainder, how much? 0 plus 3? 3. So in reverse number, how much is there? 3 is there. Now currently number is how much, sir? 22. So 22 is greater than 0, no? Not a 0. So 10, 22 percentile by 10, how much? 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. Remainder is how much? 2. 10 twos are 20 now. From 22 to 22 onwards, 20, if you subtract means what is the remainder? 2. So remainder is now 2. So number by 10. Number equal to number by 10. So now what is the quotient? 10 twos are 20. Quotient. So I mean, quotient how much? 2. Right? Quotient how much? Quotient means number how much now? Currently 2 is there. So previously in reverse number, what is there, sir? 3. 3 into 10, how much, sir? 30. 30 plus remainder, how much is there in remainder? What is the value is there? 2 is there. Now 32. So 32 came on, not came on. After reversing, 32 should come. 32 come. 32 came on, not came on. Now see, if you see now, 32 will be come. So now if you see in reverse number, what is there in reverse number? Currently in reverse number, what value is there? 32 is there. Okay. Currently number greater than 0. In number, what value is there? 2 is there. Is 2 greater than 0? No, not a 0. 2 greater than 0. True or false? True. Then it will go inside. So here you need to understand clearly one point. So now what we are doing? 2 percentile 10. So 2 percentile 10, how much, sir? As per the mathematics, 2 percentile 10. How do we do? As per the mathematics, how do we do? We do as per the mathematics. So let me explain. In the mathematics, how do we calculate? If you want to divide 10, 2 divided by 10. So how do we do calculation in mathematics? So we do 0 point, here we put 0 point something, and here we put 0. 10 twos are 20. So as per the mathematics, we do like this, right? But in the language level, in programming language level, so if you do, let's check what is the value will come. So already we previously we did an X. So as per the language level, so here 2 percentile 10 means remainder will come 2, sir. 2 percentile 10 means remainder will come 2. So 2 percentile 10 means remainder will come 2. So not only 2, 9 percentile 10 also remainder will come 9. So how it will do, in programming language, how it is doing. So if you do 2 percentile t, so in this one, as per our mathematics, I explained programmatically how it is doing. I'm explaining now. See, programmatically how it will do. So 2 is lesser than 0, no? Sorry, 2 is lesser than 10, na? Then what it do programmatically? So if it is any number, then what it do? 10 into 0 it do. 10 into 0, 10 zeros are how much? 0. 10 zeros are how much? 0. Now remainder how much, sir? 2. So it is programmatically, it is our normal. Mathematically we'll do. Programmatically calculation like that it will be. It will do. Programmatically calculation it will be. So now what we are expecting now, 2 percentile 10 means how much we are expecting remainder 2 should come, right? So let's check now, remainder should come 2. If you're not understanding anywhere, you can comment. Okay. So remainder 2 came or not came now? 2 percentile 10 means, as per programming language, 2 percentile 10 means if it is 10 lesser than any number, that number only will come remainder. That's it. 10 into 0 into. Even 9 percentile 10 also, 9 will come remainder. Okay. So now number by 10. So here how much, sir? Now number how much, sir? 0. Quotient what is there? 0 is there now. Number became 0 now. So 2 by 10 means 0. Number currently 0. See if you see now number how much came? 0 came or not came? Came. Now previously in reverse number what value is there, sir? 32 is there. 32 into 10 how much? 320. 320. Currently 320 in remainder how much is there? 2 is there. So 320 plus 2, 322. 322. Okay, got my point. So now currently number what value is there? Currently number 0 is there. Is 0 greater than 0? Now this condition won't be executed. Now in reverse number how much is there? 322 is there. This reverse number will be printed. That's it about the reverse of a given number. So if you understand, okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Okay. Thanks everyone. Bye. Please subscribe my channel if you are watching first time. Thanks everyone.